We have gone through Nana, we are still alive. We've gone through Don Numa, we are still alive. With federal might. So Tinubu is just a chicken. President Tinubu on this issue is a chicken. There is nothing he can do to us.
This is Saturday, June 6, 2026. Good evening, everyone. Because of the issue of delineation, the Warri Chiefs has gathered together to say that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a chicken and his wife should be confined to his kitchen. Now that the nation is bleeding, the wife of the Tinubu will be going from one place to the other to spoil the things about Urobo land. Now, I'm going to explain this thing in a way that you will understand what is going on. Now, there is this thing that INEC is doing. I think in my local government, Eka Northeast, they still want to partition it to 2 constituencies. If they look for local government that have population, they will try to give them 2 constituencies so that 2 people will be representing them politically. So INEC will have to do many wars based on city by city. So Urobo, people said they have been doing this right from time, that INEC has already come to check the boundaries, to check the cities, to check the population. So INEC, it is the duty of INEC, not the duty of anybody. Now that INEC have finished, that NESA, police are trying to poke nose so that they will favor some places that they have interest. Maybe they can just bring out one community and say, this community, you will have 1 constituency. Why other 10 community should just take another 1 constituency? They will not do it in a way it's supposed to be. So because of that, these Warri Chiefs, they gathered and they are warning Tinubu, warning that there will be fire in Delta State, there will be fire in Nigeria. Now, what is my interest in this video? After you watch what they said, I will tell you my interest in this video. Why all these things are not supposed to be going on when places, people are dying. Places have been deserted, people are bleeding, all sorts of things are going on in the country. Such a thing is not supposed to be happening. Such a thing is supposed not to be the priority of someone that call himself the president. Such a thing is supposed not to be the priority of the wife of the president. I remember the wife of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. If it is her, by this time now, she'll be saying that the blood that you people are wasting is too much. Like she feel concerned about what is going on, even though she don't have the solution. So pay attention and watch what these people said.
NSC and the DSS to try to escape the implementation of the report. We want to make it clear today that we do not have any business with the National Security Advisor. We do not have any business with the Department of State Security Service, DSS. Our business is with the Independent National Electoral Commission. The exercise you conducted, come and start the implementation for peace to reign in Warri. If INEC refuse to implement or start the implementation with utmost urgency, there will be fire in this town. Yeah. There will be fire in this state. Yeah. There will be fire in the country. Yeah. INEC, nobody can intimidate us at all. Not even the wife of the president. We are fully aware, still fresh in our minds, that a couple of weeks ago, the Shekiri nation hosted the wife of the president, Oluremi Tinubu, as their daughter. And on that event, she was given a marching order to go to Abuja and make sure she frustrates this INEC delineation exercise. Can she frustrate it? No! We have gone through Nana, we are still alive. We've gone through Don Numa, we are still alive. With federal might. So Tinubu is just a chicken. President Tinubu on this issue is a chicken. There is nothing he can do to us. We are more than that. We want President Tinubu to stay aside and allow INEC as an independent body, statutorily empowered by law, to conduct delineation. NSA don't conduct delineation. DSS don't conduct delineation. And this is going to be the last time that we are going to answer any invitation from the NSA and the DSS on this delineation matter. Enough is enough. Our people are tired, we are frustrated, and there is no way Emotions don't create words. It is population that creates words.
Exactly, sir.
It is population that creates words. INEC, you have come to the field. You have seen for yourself. You have gotten your data. You've created words. You've created everything. You've submitted your initial report. Seek for observations. We've given you our observations. You came on the 20th of April. You submitted a final report. At this very early year, we all sat here. We received the report. Then both received on behalf of the judge. I received on behalf of the robots. Andrew Igba received on behalf of the securities. And three of us were focal persons.
The first lady, Tinubu, is sitting in Abuja there. Instead of busy about taking care of her husband in the kitchen, interfering in Warri affairs. Yeah, children are being kidnapped in Osun State. Children are kidnapped in northern Nigeria. As a mother, she has no feelings. Is that the woman who calls herself a mother? Is that what we call a mother? No. Is that what we call a mother? No. She should take care of her responsibility by taking care of her husband and her children. She has no place in the office of the presidency. There's no constitutional provision for her. We are not mixing words at this point. Our blood is not bleeding. We are tired of all this nonsense from the Shekiri's. No matter who is it, we are prepared for it. Let the nation know that we are prepared. Thank you very much. God bless all of you.
Now, why so many people are looking into the statement uttered by this chief in Urubunland, in Delta State, Warri to be precise. But I'm not looking at what they said. Whether Tinubu is a chicken or is a goat or is a rabbit, I don't know. What concerns me is that the wife of Tinubu is traveling to do political things when the nation is bleeding. This is not all about whether you care or you don't care. You see, you can pretend that you care. You can pretend and sit down in your husband's room in Aso Rock. If you can't stay in Lagos, you sit down in your husband's room in Aso Rock. Just pretend as if you care, even though you don't care. Look at Yoruba people. Look at the Southerners. Look at the North. Everywhere. Total Islamization of Nigeria. They are capturing Nigeria. And all these things is sending a shockwave to me, like, these people are aware of this plan. These politicians are aware of this plan. Because their complicity in silence makes me think so. All of this, like they gave them money, they bribed them. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. Everybody should keep quiet. They bribed them not to talk. They bribed them not to talk. Because if they didn't bribe them not to talk, I remember one senator speaking on the Senate floor, he said, let us not deceive ourselves. We all know what is going on. If we want to allow these terrorists to achieve their aim, let us allow them. If we want to fight it, let us fight it once and for all. Let us not come here to talk. We know what is going on. I know Nigerians don't watch all those things. But that senator is telling them that they are practicing takia in Senate floor. He said, we all know what is going on. If we want to fight them, then let us fight them once and for all. Then if we don't want to fight them, let us leave them. Let them achieve their aim. That was the same thing Mr. Lawal, the former Senate president, it is the same thing he said. He said that Ahmed Lawal, he said that Boko Haram is gradually achieving their target. What is their target? To overthrow Nigerian government, install Islamic State that will be governed by Sharia. That is it. So, my interest in this video is that Tinubu is concentrating on election. His wife is concentrating on election. Mwike, Akpabio, all of them are concentrating on election. The world, Nigeria is bleeding. Everybody is dying. Tinubu is saying that he's stubborn, that politicians are sponsoring insecurity. Whether he's talking to fools, I don't know. Because if you are the president, the opposition are sponsoring insecurity, it's an opportunity to indict them and arrest them. But no, it is you that is sponsoring insecurity, Tinubu. That is why you are saying opposition are doing that. Who is the opposition? Money that your opposition people stole. You people use EFCC to detain them. People like Aerofire, all of them. You detain them because you have what they did. Like, you indict them. Talk less of people who are sponsoring insecurity. If actually it is the opposition, you that is dividing the opposition, you that is looking for where P2B is going to scatter the party, you that is hunching your opposition political candidates. Is it you that is saying opposition is sponsoring insecurity and you're unable to bring out that opposition? You are talking to fools, not me. You are talking to people who don't have ability to reason. What that implies is that you yourself, you are sponsoring insecurity. You are sponsoring insecurity. It means you had an agreement with them. It means you are complicit. A commander-in-chief is saying that opposition people are sponsoring security against him. What are you commanding? You are commanding chicken. Yes, maybe you are commanding chicken. You are a commander of chicken, not commander of armed forces. You are commanding chicken. That opposition people are sponsoring insecurity that is killing the whole Nigeria. And you as a president, you keep quiet? No, you keep quiet. And complaining that opposition are sponsoring insecurity. Is that incompetence or agreement with the terrorist? Anyway, no matter how I talk, no matter how I undermine, my primary mission is to enable people to know what is going on. That is number one. Secondly, to equip people mentally. Thirdly, to equip people physically. And if you know what is going on, the last thing is that you are an adult. You can think of what to do about what is going on. It's not everything someone will tell you. Your politicians knows what is going on with you. There is no doubt about that. So when they kidnap your brother, when kidnappers invade your city, don't just look far. Look politicians within you. They are responsible. You might not say not all of them. I agree with you. But so many of them, if they are not directly responsible, but they know what is going on and they don't want to talk, so they are complicit as well. That is what I think.